This is Salisbury, Massachusetts. I'm Jenny Liu with Bentley's The Remax Collection. Today we are at 35 Gardner Street. This home offers the perfect location. With the rail trail just steps from the front door, you'll have easy access to walking, jogging, and biking anytime. It's conveniently located minutes from major highways. And the best part, we're just a short 2-mile drive to the beach. Let's take a look inside and see what this amazing home has to offer. Thanks for watching. Call or text with interest. I'm Jenny Liu. Have a great day.